In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Unsplash image to your Squarespace page. Let's start by opening your Squarespace site editor. When the editor loads, you'll see your site just as visitors would, but with editing controls available. This is where all your changes happen in real time, so you can see exactly how things will look as you work. Next, head to the page or section where you want the image to appear. Use the site's navigation panel to open the right page, then scroll to the specific section that needs the image. It helps to decide in advance where the image will support your content best, like a hero area, a gallery style section, or a content block beside text, so placement feels intentional. Now add an image block or open an existing image area if there's already a placeholder. To add one, hover where you want the content to go and choose the option to insert a new block, then select image. If an image is already there, just click it to open the editing panel. Either way, you'll land in Squarespace's image picker, which is your control center for adding or changing visuals. If you see the Unsplash option in the picker, choose it. Unsplash is a built-in source of high-quality, royalty-free photos you can use at no cost, right inside Squarespace. It's a great way to find professional images without leaving your site editor. Use the search bar to find the photo you want from Unsplash. Type a clear keyword or two, like coffee, mountains, or workspace, and scan through the results. Look for images that match your brand's mood and color palette. Pay attention to orientation too. Wide images often fit banner areas best, while vertical shots can suit narrower columns. When you've found the right photo, select it and insert it into your page. Squarespace will place the image in your chosen block so you can immediately see how it interacts with nearby content. If it doesn't feel quite right, try a different Unsplash image using the same picker until the layout clicks. Finally, save and preview the page to make sure the image looks right. Use the preview to check spacing, readability of any nearby text, and how the image sits on the page overall. It's also a good moment to glance at different screen sizes, ensuring the visual still feels balanced. If anything looks off, jump back into the editor, swap the image, and preview again until it feels polished. Then save your changes and you're done.